like just got home. He brought me my package and I have the dryers going, so I apologize. But I had to record this moment of me opening this package. I'm so excited. So here is the main part of this package. A new camera, the Sony A6400. I could honestly cry. I am so excited. I've been using this camera and the camera Barb's gave me and some old cameras that are really old. They don't have like autofocus and or are just really bad quality, and I'm so thankful to have this camera. Blake bought it for me so kindly, and he spoiled me with some other things too. We got the full package, so let me show you what else is in here. First, he also ordered this separately. It's a mic and it also has a windbreaker on it. You can take the windbreaker off if you want to. I'm not going to do that though because I don't want to mess it up. I say as I drop it. And then, so the package we got, it came with the camera and all this stuff I'm about to show you. So this is the E-mount. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh. Oh wait, this is the lens. I thought this was the mount. Oh my gosh, I am literally going to try all of these out tonight. I am so excited. Okay, so there's a lens. There's also this amazing camera bag, which is gonna be so nice to take with us places. There's also these filter sets, digital filter sets. There's 3 of them. Ultraviolet, polarized filter, and fluorescent filter for the 40.55 millimeter. And then wide angle lens with macro. This is the digital slave flash. So my camera's gonna have a flash and a microphone attached. So excited. Universal wireless shutter release. So cool. A memory card. Wow. Card reader, memory card case, lens cap keeper, cleaning kit, 2-piece microfiber cloth, and 3-piece screen protectors. Oh my gosh, this set is incredible. And professional telephoto lens. This is the 40.55 millimeter. And then it also came with the photo video suite and a download. So I'm very excited to try those products out, because why not? Oh my gosh, let's try it out together. Okay, so, oh my gosh, it's a Wi-Fi camera too. It's so cool. Okay, let's open it up. It's probably not charged, but have you ever seen something so beautiful in your entire life? Oh my gosh. One hefty little battery, that's for sure. I don't think it's charged, but just in case. But I just really want to test it out. I got this memory card in here. I had a memory card a long time ago and it got corrupted because I think I pulled it out too early without like ejecting it first. And then Barb so kindly sent me one when she sent me a camera, so I feel lucky to have a backup, because you can never be safe. Like, you can never be too safe with videos. You don't want to lose them. I have no idea how to use this thing. Yeah, I definitely don't think the battery's charged because it's not turning on. Let's plug the battery in while we try the other stuff out. Can you plug the battery in, or do you need to plug the camera in? Ooh, look at this camera strap. I actually think you have to charge it with the camera, so let's do that. So awesome. I just cannot believe it. Plugging in the camera, you can't see it, but I'm plugging it in right now. I just want to try out like the different lenses and like see how they work. Okay, I'm gonna leave this to charge for a second. I don't know what this piece is. I should probably read the instructions. I'm guessing this is for like the flash or something. But okay, so that plus the strap also came in the actual camera. So let's put the strap on. That sounded highly inappropriate. I don't know how to do this. Okay, cool. So here, let me put this down for a second. So there's like these clips on both sides. So I'm thinking it goes in like that. Blake might need to help me with this part because I'm not the best with this kind of stuff. But okay. So then we can also do, we've got the mic to put on it. And also the flash. All right, let's see here. Okay, so this one needs batteries. So probably have to put those in first, I would assume. 2 AA batteries. I just turned this on and it's like flashing and making this high-pitched noise, and Nala is not liking it very much. Oh, you see that? What is it? She's not sure what to think. I'm just realizing now it might be, we either have to pick to put the flash or the microphone on. I'm not really sure. Oh, okay, it's got its own little flash thing. And how do I open this? I just turned the camera on for the first time. Okay, let's get a glimpse of what it's gonna look like. Wow, so neat. So excited to try with the other lenses. But I'm just kind of playing with it. I'm curious to know how to open this thing. I think I might need Blake's help for that. But does it have autofocus? Oh yeah, baby. So cool. I love it so much. I cannot wait to play with this. Ah! Okay, I'm gonna turn it off for now. How the heck does this open? I'm looking at the instructions and I cannot figure it out at all. Hi guys! So this is what it's like on the new camera. Can you believe this quality? It is insane. I love this camera so much. I'm still trying to figure out how to use it. So basically, this is what it looks like. So we originally had gotten this mic to sit right here. Oops, I turned the fan on. But this mic was gonna sit here, and we realized that wasn't gonna work because then it was gonna block this screen. So Blake bought me this cage that goes around the camera, connects this to here, and then there is the what's this thing, tripod stabilizer thing attached, which this thing is so cool. It has a level in it. You can't see it, it's on the back here, but I just love it so much. I am so thankful to have this camera, and I cannot wait to take it places. Like, look at the lighting right now. It's insane. And I'm just excited to play around with it. I have some different filters and some different lenses, and I'm still getting used to it. It's a lot. It can be a little overwhelming, but it is just mind-blowing how good the quality is, and I feel like this is just going to elevate my channel so much. I'm looking for the charger so I can send this video to my laptop to upload it. But yeah, thank you everyone so much for watching today's vlog. I hope that you are excited to see vlogs on this camera in the future. I just cannot get over how beautiful it is. I've had my eye on this camera for a while, and Blake got it for me, and I just feel like the luckiest girl in the world. So can't wait to take you guys on more adventures. So be sure to hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll see you guys real soon. Bye.